Homegrown tomatoes. What'll life be without homegrown tomatoes? The only thing that money can't buy, and that's true love and homegrown tomatoes. Oh, hey there. I didn't see you. Welcome to my greenhouse. Come on inside.
They're gonna be some fishes.
You just saw us feeding the fish. Well, when the fish poop, that poop turns into nitrates, which is what makes these leaves green. And so the plants actually help filter and clean up the water, and we get nice tomatoes. So here are some green tomatoes that are growing, and this one's actually turning red. This one is too. And lots of growth out here. You can see right here, this is what a tomato looks like before it turns into a tomato. It's just a flower. Isn't that cool? Let's go see if we can find a ripe tomato. Come over here. We've got some right here. These are a lot smaller than the other ones that we saw, but they are sweet. Ooh, that's good. If you look down here, there's actually no soil. It's all rock. And that's kind of weird because most plants we know grow in soil. But because the plants are receiving all the nutrients they need from the water that comes out right here. It comes out of that big fish tank that we saw the fish in, and it comes down this pipe, and it comes out right here, and then it raises up underneath these rocks, and it flows down to this end through the peppers and down into the drain. And then from here it flows down this tube across and into this tank, where it waits until it's pumped back into that fish tank. Can I show these roots down here? Can we get real close? Take a picture of the top. We've got some, got a few plants growing, but let's look at the bottom. You see that new growth, that new white root right there? The older roots are a little bit brown. Here's some new growth, new white root. Look down there.